you're watching this today, this one has her birthday today. She's turning 10. I do talk about you. Hmm? Yeah, you're such a sweetheart. Alright, now let's get into the video. So I am back, and on YouTube I asked you for your opinion of what video you wanted today, as NCT DREAM Rains in Heaven MV behind the scenes video dropped a couple of days ago, as well as their live clip or live performance of the song. So, as I can't do both today, I asked you if you wanted the behind the scenes and the live clip, or if you wanted the chilling in our youth. Now you wanted this one, behind the scenes video. I don't know why I pointed it, you can't see it yet. But the behind the scenes video is what the majority of you wanted, meaning we will watch chilling in our youth, continue with that next week. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Anyways, I am very excited to check this out. There are definitely some scenes from this MV that I'm very excited to see the behind the scenes of. I'm guessing too, since it's kind of long, it's 22 minutes. So I'm guessing we will have a lot of talking. I hope so. I want to hear like their opinions and their like thoughts about the song and everything. And then we're checking out the live clip after we watch the behind the scenes. So yeah. Anyways, without any further ado, let's go. Alright, let's do this. Oh! Hi, Chanle! I will say though, immediately, this MV is so beautifully shot. Some really like beautiful visuals here.
태국 드림쇼 3 콘서트 끝나고 이제 다음날 바로 진짜 예쁜 곳에서 이렇게 뮤비 촬영하게 되었는데, 벌써 첫 씬, 두 번째 씬 이렇게 몇 개 찍었는데 벌써 느낌이 너무 좋네요. 너무 예쁘게 잘 나올 것 같아요. 많이 기대해 주세요.
Came out really well. I will say, with this music video and like just from the few clips I've seen so far, they make the world seem so clean and innocent and beautiful, when in reality I feel like the world, like the world as we can view it, is kind of gray. You know? They make it look so angelic and beautiful, like all the colors are so vibrant. And I mean, this is, I'm guessing, like a set, a location that they probably like fixed up and stuff, but like it looks so like, it looks so clean. Yeah, clean and innocent. It's like kind of perfect also for these lyrics, I feel like. Just, yeah, I don't know how to describe it any more than that, but it looks, yeah, clean and innocent. Is that a shell?
아까처럼 위로.
여보세요?
여보세요. Oh. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh, I have to pause again. Oh my god, you're so beautiful. Okay, so I was told in the comments that he is not going to be part of the European tour because he is on his hiatus for his mental health, right? I have to search that up. I am not entirely sure, so please tell me if I said the wrong thing here. Or confirm if I was correct. However, I feel so lucky to have been able to be here when this dropped as a part of the fandom and having him be present for that. I feel so lucky because you know, you're not always that lucky getting into a fandom and having your first like music drop be something with all the members. But I'm also so thankful for the fact that he will actually like listen to his body and stay on a hiatus. Although I'm sure he feels sad that he can't participate, and of course the fans will in some sense feel sad, but I think also a lot of fans will probably also be grateful that an artist is actually thinking about themselves. But I feel so lucky to be able to have had like the first release drop that I've ever did as with me in the fandom, that it was with all the members. Yeah, I feel super lucky about that. He looks gorgeous also in this. I love his hair. Hair. Here. I can never say those two words after each other. I should just like not say it and just write it on the screen at this point, because it sounds so stupid when I try to say it. Anyways, he looks beautiful. I think honestly, Renjun
Rains in
has
Heaven,
some of the.
우리의 미국
I'm sorry,
타이틀곡.
I don't want to talk over you, so I'm gonna go back. I'm sorry. I think he is one of the eyes that are like the most beautiful eyes, like kind eyes. I feel like he has such kind eyes. I know I say that about a couple of idols, but I feel like with Renjun, it's just pure innocence and kindness. I don't know. His eyes are like sparkling, you know? It's just he's so beautiful, and he's so sweet, and he just seems so kind.
Rains in Heaven, 우리의 미국 타이틀곡의 뮤직비디오를 찍고 있습니다. 저는 이제 숲속에서 찍고 있는데 세상 정말 그런 컨셉이어서 어떻게 나올지 조금 많이 기대가 되고
End of the world
재미있게 찍고 있는
concept.
것 같습니다. 되게 속도도 빠르고 퀄리티 있게 찍고 있는 것 같아서 얼른
High
그
quality,
결과물을
yeah,
빨리
definitely.
보고 싶습니다. 감사합니다.
I never I never thought of it as a end of the world concept. That's interesting though. Whew. The man who's taking over my life in the best way possible, if I may add so. Honestly, kind of unexpected as well. I'm sorry for pausing so much, but I mean, you're here to watch what I think about this, so I guess it's okay. Anyways, when I got into NCT, he was one of the first I think I noticed or recognized by both voice and face, but I could never like remember his name. It's kind of like, but to me at least, it was kind of unexpected that he would like become one of my like main bias in NCT Dream, and like honestly, you know, my bias system is fucked up. It's totally ruined, partly because of this man. Cause I'm like I'm just like I need to find myself a new system. I know I don't have to have a system, but I want to. So I know I don't have to, but it was kind of unexpected to me that he would like, and I don't know why. I always loved his voice. I guess I just, you know, I feel like there's always that one member of the group that you like the voice of and everything, but you never really view them in that way until suddenly, just like one day, they just like come out of nowhere and attack you with something. Either if it's the voice or the dance or just their visuals, rapping, you know, producer skills, whatever it is, just something about them. I think for me it was just like his stage presence who like really overtook me one day, and I was just like, whoa, he can perform. And now every time I see him, I'm like, just like, wow, okay, how did I not bias you from the beginning? You know, did you have one of those experiences? It doesn't have to be NCT. If you stand multiple groups, did you have like that? I had that one in 80s as well. I'm gonna talk about that. I know that's not like relevant for this video, but I'm gonna talk about it anyways. I had that like with Yosang. Like Yeosang to me had this like very unique look, like visually very unique. But I never really like fully paid attention to him, like other than that, like okay, I like his voice, he can dance, you know. But I buy Songhwa, and like then Uyang came along, and then you know. And then out of nowhere, suddenly, I think it was the Deja Vu music video, I was just like captured by his voice, his visuals, his dancing. And I was just like, suddenly, like, it was like you discover that person, like, again, for the first time. You know what I mean? I think that's gonna be the question. At the end of the year, what question did you ask the most in 2024? For me, it's gonna be, do you know what I mean? Because I feel like I explain myself so badly. I want to make sure you know what I'm talking about or understand. And if you don't, then tell me and I will try to elaborate what I mean in the comments. Okay, now let's focus on what's actually going on in front of us here. Hi, Haechan.
Rains in Heaven 뮤직비디오 촬영 현장인데요. 지금 이곳은 태국입니다. 바로 어제까지 저희가 라자망갈라 스타디움에서 이제 이틀 공연을 하고 오늘 이렇게 뮤비까지 찍었는데 일단 날씨도 너무 뷰티풀하고요. 노래도 굉장히
Well, I have seen that Thailand has crazy like nature visuals, beautiful nature there.
Enjoy.
So that makes sense.
네, 갈게요. 액션. 오케이, 할게요. 오케이입니다. 넘어갈게요.
Oh, hi, Mark. Hello.
It's hot.
Oh. You sure it's not just you?
한 번만 눌러줘.
AI인 거 티내지 말라 그랬지.
외계인인 거 티내지 말라 그랬지.
Tapo te kataskia.
좋아요. 오케이, 컷할게요.
The talent of the crew that... No, stop it. You're already a problem. I know, at least for someone, this man is a very big problem. He's becoming a problem for me as well, so I feel you. However, we don't have to have eye contact. I was gonna say, props to the, like, crew and team they have with them, because they make this music video so beautiful. I don't know how, like, involved they are in terms of, like, post-production, video ID before like shooting and everything, but like it turned out beautiful, this MV.
오케이, 컷할게요.
John being on the silent, what are you doing?
지금 태국에 와 있는데요. 태국 공연을 하면서 느꼈던 게 우리가 비라는 주제로 노래를 낸 적이 없더라고요, NCT DREAM이. 그래서 이 노래가 첫 번째가 되지 않을까 싶습니다. Rain.
I like this contact on him.
계속 밑에 보면 안 되겠다 이거. 뭔가 이런 거 계속 보고 있으면 점점 이렇게 몸이 쏠리는 느낌 나요. 아주 위험한.
Wow.
오 뭐야 애들 나왔어.
Oh, puppies. I love puppies. Who doesn't love puppies?
아 안 나와.
제가 타투를 처음으로 했는데요. 내 인생 첫 타투를 여기에다가 하게 될 줄은 몰랐는데 Rains in Heaven을 맞춰서 한번 해봤습니다. We are all the same, but hurt different. I heard when you cry, it rains in heaven. 네, Rains in Heaven이라는 곡으로 저희가 미국 싱글을 내게 됐는데요. 2024년 4월쯤에 이 노래를 받아서 혹시 가사를 써볼 수 있냐라는 기회가 와가지고 노래를 딱 들었는데 좀 힐링이 되는 노래더라고요. 그래서 와 진짜 Rains in Heaven이라는 주제도 너무 좋았던 것 같아가지고 아 이걸로 어떻게 뭔가 쓰면 좋을까라는 생각을 하면서 시진이와
You're
멤버들에게
really
좀
did
위로가
beautiful with
될
these
수 있는
lyrics though.
가사를 써보고 싶었어요. 근데 오늘 진짜 거짓말이 아니라 오늘 아까 이 올라오는 씬 찍으면서 지성이가 근데 가사 괜찮은 것 같다고.
In the morning when you wake up, thinking about how you wanna run away from here, wanna cry and disappear. There's something that you need to hear.
In all honesty, I did not expect to like see all of these like buildings. I thought they were like further out in like middle of nowhere.
You don't believe it. There's something that you need to see.
Oh, they all look so good. I'm very interested about the, Jamin and Jano little fighting scene. I wonder how many take it took. Oh, wow, his arms. Wow.
여러분 안녕하세요. 제노입니다. 여기는 태국이고요. 폐기찻길인 것 같은데 굉장히 지금 저희의 뮤비 스토리가 약간 세계 종말? 그러니까 우리가 사는 세상이 멸망을 받아들이는 그런 단계의 내용이고요. 그래서 굉장히 슬프고 공허한 촬영을 하고 있습니다. 그거에 맞게 아주
That's so interesting to me because that is not like the feeling I got when watching it.
연기를 해야 될 것 같아.
But I also feel like that is kind of your smile. I also feel like that's kind of like the beauty with music and music videos is there's really no like 100% right or wrong. I mean, if you're watching Avatar and you interpretate it as SpongeBob SquarePants, then obviously, I mean, it has its limits, but there's no like really right or wrong, which I find beautiful. It's like you can like look at it and view it the way you want to. But obviously I am very excited to and very interested in hearing like what they thought of it, like what their like meaning when shooting this is, because the messenger and the one who picks up the message will usually have like different thoughts about the same message that's being sent. Or whatever. Okay.
같은 느낌이라서 굉장히 오랜만에 연기를 해야 될 것 같아. 그래서 좀 걱정해요. 이따가 막 비 맞고 재민이랑 다투는
Yeah, I'm interested to see that.
걱정입니다. 재밌게 찍고 가보겠습니다.
I love that we get so many like their thoughts in this. Not gonna lie, they did that so smoothly. I would have struggles getting up there. I have short legs.
네, 시작할게요. 네, 가볼게요. 카메라. 갈게요. 액션. 출발.
Yeah!
오케이, 컷 할게요. 오케이입니다. 액션, 드릴게요. 좋아요.
I mean, I guess like based on like the set, like the ruined city, the like ruined train, I could like see the end of the world concept, but it's like, maybe help me in the comments here if you know, or if you have a thought about it. Is like the idea of the music video, like I was about to start speaking Norwegian there. Is it like the music video that is supposed to be this kind of end of the world theme? Because I didn't get that expression, I guess, from the song at all. I got that like as a healing comfort song. But now that I think about it, I guess there is like a contrast in music video maybe, and then the lyrics maybe here. What is your thoughts about all of this, if you have one? That line from Renjun, "The way you are," is so beautifully sung.
촬영 2일. 얘는 새로 산 건데요. 사진기를 들고 왔습니다. 오늘날 딱 기준으로 이튿날 제가 아직 가오픈한 상태에서 방문을 해서 약간의 저의 흔적들을 남기고 갈까 생각을 하고 있습니다.
I think I saw a vlog or something
싱가포르 시즈니들을 만나러
from that with him in it.
하지만 약간 들렀다가
Didn't
할
I?
생각이고요. 이제 미리미리 이렇게 저는 다시 또
I think
지금부터 드림이들의 모습과
I have something like that on my list at
것들을
least.
많이 찍어놓을까 생각을 하고 있습니다.
Oh, that looks too real. Stop it. You do look good. Okay. Real question. No one is allowed to lie about this. How many of you have gone for a walk in the forest or whatever, like a little off track, I'll say. Not off track, but just like not really central, like, you know, out in the woods or on a trail, whatever it is, listening to music, walking around, like looking up at the tree or the night sky or whatever, just like looking around, turning around, walking like you were in a music video. No lying, guys. I've done that multiple times. It's actually quite healing doing so, but like, yeah. Have you done it? No lying. If you have, tell me. I want to know how many of us there are, because I'm guessing there's at least 2. I can't be alone on that. I know I'm not, but you know, tell me.
오케이, 컷 할게요. 오케이입니다.
Oh, so they had sprinklers. Okay. I was wondering if it actually was raining or not. that looks so real. That poor guy did not get to cover his head. Oh, he's getting soaked. Wow. Imagine if they... Was this...
카메라를 제대로
I don't think this is like shot in like... Well... Shot is... edited like in order because he's dry again, but... What if they didn't get the take they wanted? Would they have to like dry him? I'm guessing they have dryers, like huge one to like dry him up so he doesn't get sick and everything, but... Okay. I feel like I had a question but I didn't ask it properly.
뭔지 알지?
Oh, we're fighting now? Oh, that felt way too real to me.
일 안 맞았어. 겨울엔 눈이 오겠지. 근데 막 겨울에 촬영이 있는데 가을심이고 막 이런 거. 근데 그 간지 있잖아. 느낌 나는 간지. 그래서 해야 된다.
네, 가보겠습니다.
They're doing great, really.
그러면 이렇게 하고 딱 보고 진짜 몰입 너무 깨진다.
살짝만 이마 살짝만 대볼까요?
아 잘안 보이지. 눈썹 있어. 닿았다가 맞았으면 약간 자동문처럼 보이네. 띵 하고 이렇게. 너 진짜 그 소리 내면 안 된다. 웃는다.
That must be kind of good though for like if you have any frustration, just scream it out.
이때 배 때렸는데. 소리 끄고 박치기 게임하고. 아니 컨텐츠가 제일 재밌을걸?
One of the things I love most about watching these, take your jacket back on, please. Or cut to another scene, thank you. What I was gonna say was, one thing I like the most about watching these behind the scenes is watching them having fun with doing these music videos. Like, not just having fun with like the performance part, but just having fun with each other. It's very wholesome seeing them like just laughing and having fun. It's healing in a way. I feel like all their content is very healing, honestly. Good job. Oh yeah, I love this. Oh wow, pretty. I love this location and lighting and everything. If it isn't already, I don't think there is. I hope we will get like a dance practice to this because I really want to see the full dance.
네, 지금 뮤비 3일차인데요. 7명이서 연준이 형까지 7명이서 찍는 중인데 여러분들이 뭐 어떻게 봐주실지 모르겠지만 저희는 되게 너무 듣고 오면서 너무 좋은 것 같아요. 괜찮기를.
유일하게 이제 군무가 들어가 있는 스튜디오예요. 그래서 굉장히 좀 어떨까 궁금해했는데 딱 오자마자 이 세팅이 너무 좋더라고요. 그래서
It's
더 이입을
beautiful.
하게 돼가지고 아주 잘 나올 것 같아요. 많이 많이 기대해 주시고 Rains in Heaven 여러분들의 힘듦을 응원하는 저희 NCT 드림의 메시지가 담겨져 있는 거 까먹지 마시고요.
Oh, you're so sweet with your words, Mark. I feel like this goes to show just how, like, just this little snippet goes to show how talented of dancers they are.
이거 저는 지금 딱 좋은데
저도 좋았어요.
대형 살짝만 한번 맞추는 거 정도면 좋을 것 같아요. 한 피스만 더 넘어갈게요.
Rains in Heaven 뮤직비디오 촬영 3일째인데요. 어제까지 이제 태국에서 촬영을 했는데 오늘은 이렇게 한국에서 세트를 지어서 촬영을 하고
Oh
있습니다.
wow.
지금 이제 저희 멤버들끼리
They
모여서
really
건물을 찍는 씬인데
traveled a lot
굉장히
then for
예쁘고
this music
몽환적인
video.
분위기에서 촬영하고 있으니까 여러분 많이 사랑해 주셨으면 좋겠습니다. 감사합니다.
They must have been so
네, 여러분들
tired.
끼지 않으시겠지만 어제 태국에서 촬영을 하고 바로 한국으로
I don't know how
단체
long it is to
군무씨
fly
촬영하고
from
있고요.
Thailand
태국에서는
to
저희가
Korea,
부르는
but
룩 이름으로는 멸망룩?
It must have been so
절망룩이라고
tiring,
하고요.
honestly.
여기는 조금 해피한 그리고
I
조금
mean, I would be
천국
tired, but
같은
I'm
그런
a
느낌의
like
곳이라고.
I'm not trained in this.
옷도 하얗고 예쁜 옷을 입고 찍고 있습니다.
I feel like when I go
안무도
out
굉장히
like
예쁘니까요.
traveling, I need
안무도
like
많이
2 to
사랑해주세요.
3 business days just to like, you know, recover. That Renjun line is probably my favorite part of the entire song. I don't know why, it's just something about his vocals there that I just love so much.
내가 쳤는데 얘가 손이 없었다고.
나도 못 쳤어.
왜 나라고 생각하지?
잘 나왔을 거야.
이런 거 나왔을 거야.
잘 나왔을 거야.
너무 잘 나왔대. 내가 이거 웃는 거 인정할게.
Oh, I get so happy seeing their smiles. Oh. I Oh, it looked like he winked to the camera and then moved on, but didn't. I can't believe I have known about NCT for so long. Like, I knew of the group NCT, when I got into K-pop in 2017. But at that point, I only knew of 17. I only knew of NCT as a whole. I didn't know there were subunits. At the time, Wavy didn't exist either as a group. But NCT was a group. So NCT DREAM and NCT 127 were like subunits, and then NCT U. I only knew about NCT, and I've known for NCT for then like since 2017. I can't believe it took me up to 2024 to get into them. Like, I don't understand it at all. Like how how I could have known them for so many years and not get into them. Same with like EXO. I've known EXO, like of EXO, since 2017. Didn't get into them until 2024. Like Wavy I hadn't really heard of, honestly, before like it was mentioned as part of NCT. Monster X I had like barely heard of. Like I think I knew like a song or two, but like I wasn't actually aware that like they were having this, you know, like you know the song but you don't know what group it's from. Like I've had that experience with so many of these groups I'm currently checking out. Like ONEUS I did know of because of the To Be or Not To Be song, but like I am very happy that I started this channel and that I'm exploring K-pop groups, because I know in the past I've had a tendency to be like, I'm standing the groups I'm standing and that's it. It's a wonder, honestly, that I got into Stray Kids and ATEEZ at all back in like February and May last year, because I was so like BTS, I stand BTS, that's it. I feel like I owe my whole K-pop experience life to Stray Kids for opening the doors for me to explore other K-pop groups. After I found Stray Kids, I was watching Kingdom, I found ATEEZ, and I was like, okay, if this is K-pop, I'm going all in. I'm diving into this now. I found ENHYPEN, I found 17, I found, you know, only one of SHINee I didn't know of. But I found so many groups through watching, so like Kingdom. I found so many groups after that, like diving into them. And then starting this channel, I started off with like it was supposed to just be like EXO for like the time being, but then I found Monster X really quickly, so I thought, okay, I would check out that as well. I think that's how it happened. I don't know if I got it recommended or not, actually, to be honest. And I like stuck with them for like a couple of months, and then all hell broke loose. I feel like when I started those exploring videos. I did 2 exploring videos and look where we are now. Currently checking out like, I don't know how many groups we're checking out, honestly, but we're checking out a lot, and I'm so grateful for that, because it keeps like adding to my music and my comfort and my like, you know, like musical home away from home. Kind of. It sounds dramatic, but I know that a lot of you will get what I mean, and I think a lot of you also can like relate to that feeling, a home away from home in the music, in the like world of K-pop in a way. It's a very like safe space to travel to when things are very rough where you are currently. See, now I'm trailing off again because I was talking about NCT DREAM and then I got into everything. See, I tend to do that. But you know that by now. It's nothing new. I can't jump with like jumping ropes. I'm not good at it. I can do like basic jumps, but I can't do anything else.
빨리 대박이라고 봐.
자, 해볼까요?
I wonder if we will get like a performance video of this. That would be amazing. But if this was the only place they recorded this, maybe not. Oh, there are literally 7 angels.
이렇게 칠드림 오랜만에 모여서 뮤비를 찍는데 태국에서 너무 워낙에 예쁜 장면들 많이 찍어놔서 이 뮤비에 대한 기대감이 엄청 컸는데 서울 오자마자 이 세트장도 너무 예쁘게 세팅해놔가지고 이번 뮤비는 너무 예쁘게 잘 나올 것 같다고 생각이 드네요. 감사합니다.
Okay. That was wonderful. I love. Yeah, see, that's the video. I have that on my to watch list. I don't know when, but I have it on my to watch list. That was so fun to watch, very entertaining. I love to hear their thoughts about the music video. I love to see their expressions. Honestly, it's always just so fun to watch them speaking about their music and like their project, and have their thoughts on it. It's just so, I feel like NCT Dream is just like a very healing group all over when it comes to their music, when it comes to their performances, when it comes to their variety. Anything they do is just wholesome, and well, not all of it. Some of it is very on the dangerous side of performance, if you know what I mean. But a lot of it is very comforting, and I love sitting here watching it. Yeah, gives me a sense of family, kind of. I don't know. It's just beautiful. All right, let's watch the live clip now. This is a beautiful location. Oh, oh, I love your hair. Oh,
wanna cry and disappear. There's something that you need to hear. Every night you become my sky, 'cause a blessing never enough. You don't believe it. There's something that you need to see. Oh yeah, it's a reflection, clouds up in heaven. They have a message for you and me. I know that you feel all alone. I know that you lost all hope, but I am always by your side. We are all the same, but we're different. I heard when you cry, it rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yeah, I say now take it step by step. Stay on to the next zone and dream with no regrets. Hold on, never let go. I wanna hold you, girl, I adore you. Just let me show you. Let your heaven shine, dude, let's go. We ain't ever looking back, no. Don't let any of our past chase us down, no. Feeling that nothing is the thing. Time to believe, yeah. We are all the same, but we're different now. I heard when you cry, rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yeah. Remember the reason I love. Tell me that you won't give up. You want it. Falling, we walk, so we run. Get off the ground, go up higher and higher now.
Falling like a shooting star. Catch you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call.
'Cause I'll be there. We are all the same, but we're different. I heard when you cry, rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are,
there's something about this song that makes me so unbelievably emotional in the best way possible. It just is. I feel like it's, you know, I feel like if you're not already standing this group, this song will make you like, it feels like an invitation into their world in a way, and I love being a part of it. I feel like I'm like in this, I feel like I'm one of the lucky ones who have been like included in this like hideout secret society where you're like accepted and you are invited to join in this beautiful world of music and healing. And yeah, I love them so much. I have the biggest love for them, and this was so stunning. Their live vocals are, as always, magical. Chanle's voice at the end, towards the end there, was beautiful. We all know Haechan sings beautiful. That high note is crazy. I still love the way Renjun is coming in with The Way You Are towards the end. Mark's rap is always so satisfying. I love the deepness of Jisung's voice. Starting off in the beginning with Mark and then going into with Jeno and his beautiful voice. I like that we get to see a kind of like a bit of his range as well. And then Jamin, like, I mean, his voice is just so... I think someone said about that was about an other idol, but I feel like you can use it for his voice as well. So velvety, smooth, and rich. It's just beautiful. Yeah, no, this was fun. This was very, very fun. Alright, so that was this video. I'm sorry if you hear any like background noise. They're out there eating dinner. So that's why if you hear like a knife and fork and stuff. But yeah, this was so fun. I love checking this out. I'm very excited to check out more of Chillin' in Our Youth next week. But yeah, I'm very glad we checked out this today. I felt like I feel like I always need like the sort of like healing, good, fun content as well, so this was perfect on a Tuesday, honestly. Very, very perfect. Anyways, if you watched all the way over here, then you're a gem, and if you liked it, then I'm very glad I made something that you enjoyed. Until the next time I post. Goodbye!